I feel like decorating my planner pages today. I just have the urge to scratch my scrapbooking itch. So in this video, I'm going to zhuzh it up and I'm inviting you along for the ride. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see videos about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. I've got my new Inkwell Press 360 disc system planner, and I just couldn't wait to write in it. So when I put together my January mission board, all I did was just write a few things in, and I just didn't have the time to really spend decorating the mission board like I usually enjoy doing. And then when I wrote in the things on my monthly planner, I just wrote them in because, again, I didn't have the time to spend to do a lot of decorating. So for this week, and even last week, for the week of January 7th through January 13th, just wrote stuff in. But I just kept really feeling the urge to just get out all my scrapbooking tools and do something pretty. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm inviting you to come along for the ride. The first thing I always do is choose my paper, and I was really loving that black and white print. The words just seem to be perfect for this particular layout. And since I like the black and white paper so much, I also wanted to use a washi tape that had kind of a black and white print in it as well. And I wanted to use the washi tape just to kind of mark off various areas for me to be able to write things in. And the other papers were from a kit that I got from the Scarlet Lime Planner Society. I'm not sure what month it was for, but I just really liked the way they looked with this black and white print. And I wanted the pages to mirror one another somewhat, but not exactly. So I wanted some paper at the top on the facing page where it was at the bottom on the left-hand page. Once I got the paper towels glued down, I wanted to go ahead and get some washi tape on this page as well, because I needed to have the same elements on both sides. And I just got a card to cut the washi tape with, and I'm really pleased now with the way that's looking. I used a few of the stickers from the Scarlet Lime Planner Society January 2016 kit. I was really liking that typewriter, but it said 2016 on it. So I took some of the words off of one of the sticker pages that just said Hello Light and covered up the words on the typewriter, and it was perfect to use. And then, of course, I had to figure out where exactly did I want to place it. And then once that was down, I chose a set of books from the sticker sheet. And then one of the word phrases, this is my year, because that's the way I feel. This is my year. Now that I've got the pages laid out to a certain degree, I thought I would start to write in some of the things that I need to write in, just to make sure I left myself enough space. So I'm just about done with this layout, and I think what I want to do is put this here. I don't know, maybe make a tag out of it, but I know I want a green here, a black one here, and then maybe a tag or something here. So let's make this tag. So I'll cut that out. Okay, so there's that piece. Now let's cut these. I think I want this one about right there. I'm going to do it that way. Maybe this one about right there. And I'm going to mark this one here. And this one here. There's that one. Okay. So I'm going to put these down like this. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get this down. So let's get this. And it says, hello goals, and then the goals include family, education, health, and then career. And I'm going to put that right here. And then let's get some glue on these. And it's going to go right here. There's that one. And now this one is going to go about right here. So we'll get some glue on it. then we'll get some glue on this arrow. And it can go about right there. So there. Put that on. Oh, this is crooked. Now let's write the focus for the week. I tell you what, I am not a neat planner. When I am working, I have things everywhere. So I'm just about ready to call this finished. I put the pages back in the book, as you've seen. And I just need something to go here so that I can write my meals in. So I'm going to use a sticky note. And I think these are cute, and there's certainly enough room to write my meals on there. So I think I'll just put this right there like that. So I can write my meals there. And do I need something over here? Well, if I need to add another sticky note there, I can. I think I'm going to call this done. Oh, I do have one other item to write in. Let me do that real quick. So, heart seminar at 3 p.m. So I have that to do on Wednesday at 3 p.m. And I think that's it. I think I'm going to call this done. If I have any more appointments, I can write them in, or I can add a sticky note. And here are my finished pages. I am really pleased with the way they turned out. I've got plenty of room to write in the things that I need. And if I need additional space, I'll just put in a sticky note. I've left this area blank here so I can put in notes. And I've already put in here my focus for the week. I just really wanted to just do something pretty. I just wanted to kind of play with the paper, play with my tools, and I'm really glad that I took the time to do that and that I was able to share with all of you what I was able to accomplish. So now here's my question for you. What part of this whole process do you have questions about? Tell me in the comment section below. And let me just remind you that Friday, February 1st is National Wear Red Day, and that is when we raise awareness that heart disease is the #1 killer in America. So hopefully you will join me in my National Wear Red Day challenge and my Go Red challenge, where you will wear something red on Friday, February 1st, and maybe do something on your YouTube channel to just help raise awareness. And maybe it's something that you do at home with your family and you share that with us. Maybe you just cook a heart healthy meal. Maybe you just wear the red dress pin. Maybe you just wear a red shirt and all you say is heart disease is the #1 killer of women in America. It kills more women than all forms of cancer combined, and call it done. That's great. We just want to turn YouTube red on Friday, February 1st, so please join me. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.